There are two tools you'll want to use to make the most of your ATD conference experience: the My Schedule Planner and the ATD Events app. These tools work together to help you save the sessions and events you don't want to miss. Log in with your td.org user account, the same account you used to register for the conference. Search for sessions that match your interests, or browse by day. Browse featured exhibitors, including many that you can set up meetings with in advance. Complete the profile wizard to help customize your schedule or cancel and go back to it at any time. You can share or print your schedule, send it to your manager. The ATD Events Conference App is a handy resource you'll want to use during your conference. The app makes it easy to find sessions, take notes, find suppliers, and follow the conference action on Twitter. Let's get you started. To download the app, go to your device store and search for ATD Events. You'll see the Association for Talent Development's orange logo on the app. There is no year associated with the Events app. We'll show you how to download your conference year in a moment. Open the app, and you'll see a banner for your conference. Download the information and open the event. If you already have the ATD Events app installed from another conference, just click the More link, then Find Events, and click to install your new conference. Now, you can start browsing education sessions, planning your expo visit, and following the conference Twitter feed all in one place. Log into the app using your td.org credentials again. Once logged in, any sessions you've starred in your schedule planner will appear in the app schedule. You can now save notes in the app, comment on sessions, participate in games, and sync your schedule across multiple devices. Use the program link to see all sessions by track. Within the session listings, you can filter for session type and other filters. Simply choose your filters and click Done. Remember to go back and clear your filters if you want to see all sessions again. Select a session to read the description, see the speaker, and access any additional materials plus the session evaluation link. Here, you can add the session to your app schedule, make a session a favorite, or take notes on the session. You can also use the icons to find the session on the map, to see other sessions happening near you, or to email the session details to yourself. To email all your conference notes, send a trip report to yourself. Just choose Email Notes and Stars from the More list and email yourself a full report. You can search exhibitors by list or by booth on the Expo map and mark your favorites with a star. On the settings screen, you can upload your photo and set your profile to active or hide it from other attendees. The Networking tab allows you to contact other attendees and send personal messages. Be sure to accept all app updates and get all the latest conference alerts and information. The Schedule Planner and ATD Events app were designed with you in mind to help make the most of your conference experience.